Understanding a slam dunk in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, a slam dunk. It's a popular expression you might hear in various contexts, not just in sports. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A slam dunk originates from basketball, where it refers to a powerful, surefire shot where a player jumps and forcefully scores a basket. It's a move that's almost guaranteed to succeed. This sports term has been widely adopted into everyday language. When used figuratively, a slam dunk signifies a task or action that is easy to achieve or guaranteed to be successful. For instance, if someone says, "Getting approval for this project is a slam dunk," they mean the approval is almost certain. Let's look at some examples. 1. The exam was a slam dunk. I'm sure I aced it. Here, it means the exam was very easy. 2. Hiring Emma was a slam dunk decision for the team. This implies that hiring Emma was a very obvious and good choice. Be cautious not to confuse a slam dunk with tasks that are merely simple. It implies not just ease, but also a high probability of success. You might also hear variations like slam dunk case or slam dunk deal. They all carry the same essence of certainty and ease. A slam dunk is a dynamic phrase borrowed from basketball, symbolizing easy, assured success. We hope this video helps you confidently use this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language lessons.